That's a lot of snow. Come on, Bets. Come on. Go ahead. What do you think, Bats? What do you think? It's pretty deep for a little dog like you. Look at that. That's pretty deep. What do you think? You don't like it? You don't like it? Nope. She doesn't like it. See? This is why we got a litter box for you, Bets. That's why we got a litter box. You don't have to go out in that snow and go. Look at that. You don't have to go out there. You don't even like it the littlest bit. You don't even like it the littlest bit, do you?